Hello everyone. I will show you how I'm making the feed for the carp that I use usually to catch carp in the United States. Because in any other countries people use boils, that's why it's so different. Okay, I'm gonna use oatmeals. This pack is very cheap in the Sam's Club or Costco. Just like that. Then I add some cornflakes. You can ground all of this, but I usually don't do that because it doesn't make any sense.
Yeah.
I add a half can, maybe even more, 3/4 of this can over here. Then I use some flour to make it sticky, but not very sticky because I put all of this in my spring and some part should be stay in a spring when I will cast it, because the flow in this river is so fast. And usually I'm at flour how I feel that it's really enough. And then when I just a little mix that, I use this strawberry flavor. You can add any other one that you like, or maybe you will test them, like a pineapple, like a vanilla, or maybe any other one. I think like 3/4 of this pack, that's really enough. And then I mix all that stuff. The smell is really cool, and carp like that.